Hello dear friends, I am Dr. Govind Lohia and welcome to this video presentation. Today we are going to discuss about basics of patents and searching patent information. Basics of patent is in part 1 and searching of patent information in the part 2 in the same video. So we know about that the patent information is required for us in the presentation, in publication and in thesis writing. In any kind of scientific document, if it contains the patent information, it will definitely give impact. So we must know some basic criteria of the patents, that what is the patent, what to be patented, what not to be patented, and next to that, how to search the patent information from different sites like USPTO, WIPO, apart from that Indian patent. So next, so in that first part, basics of patents. So importance of patent, what it is required, why it is so important. It is important sort of scientific and technical literature. Patent is the so much important in terms of technical literature. A treasure house for scientific invention. It avoids the duplications, that if I am working on some task and after say 1 or 2 years I came to know that this is already performed, so such type of duplication work is avoided. Paves way for further discoveries, that it is the most important because it covers the other, it covers your discovery, that so other cannot be say use it, other cannot be formulate it, so it paves the way of further discoveries. Stop reinventing the wheel, identifies the emerging technology, emerging areas. So what is patent? It is the statutory right to the inventor or the applicant by the government for his invention, which is either a new process or product. His or her invention, that is, it is right given to the inventor by the government. Now it is for the limited period of time. So patent can be after granting a patent, that is, it is for a limited period of time, that is whatever the exclusivity provided by the government to the inventor, it is for a limited period of time. It granted in a lieu of sufficient disclosure to the patent office, that you need to be give a certain proofs, disclosure regarding your invention to the patent office, and in according to that patent office grant you the patent. It is only the territorial right. It is important. Territorial right means what? If I am inventing something in India and I am filing a patent to the Indian patent office, I am not going to file in a US. No doubt we are the members of the patent treaty, but still I need to file my invention to US also, so that I can protect my right in US also. But it is advisable that if you are not going to launch your product in US at all, then you can file to the Indian patent. So it is exclusively protected in a Indian territory, not in the US. If we want to protect it apart from India in US, then we need to file again the same application in prescribed format with the USPTO to the US patent. It is a negative right. What do you mean by negative right? A negative right is a right not to be subject to an action of another person or group. So that's why it is called that it is a negative right. So what is patent? Patent is the statutory right to the inventor. So now come to the most interesting part. According Supreme Court guide, that means Supreme Court has said that the patent covers anything under the sun that is made by man can be patented. So if we want to patent anything that is man-made, it cannot be naturally occurring, it cannot be any MO microorganism which is exist, you only discovered it, it cannot be patented. Any species, new species, so it must be a man-made under the roof of sun. Patent is contract between the inventor and the government patent office, as we discussed in the definition of the patent. Inventor agrees to disclose fully the invention to the public. Definitely fully is the operative word, because we know about we came to know that how fully is operative word. In exchange of government grants for a limited time, monopoly on invention to the inventor if certain patentability tests are made. What we are going to say, in exchange of the government, the government grants for the limited time a limited monopoly, that we said that a time period is given. It is not a absolute that is permanent monopoly, it is given, just we have discussed in the previous slide. So what is the life of patent? So life of patent is 20 years from the filing of date. It is not from the granting of the patent, it is from the filing of the patent application. No right during the pendency, that is when the patent is filed and it is about to grant, or it is not granted yet, then there should not be any right provided. Okay, so patent grant the owners, that is inventor, right to exclude others from making the invention, using the invention, selling the invention, offering the invention, and importing the invention. Apart from that, distributing the invention. So what do we mean by invention? It is also given by the Indian patent. Okay, so what is the invention? It is according to Indian Patent Office section 21J. Invention means a new product or process involving an inventive step and capable of industrial application. So each and every word having a great impact in that statement. Invention means you can say that new product or even a new process, or a combination of new product and new process involving an inventive step and capable of industrial application, that it must be having an industrial application. So this is nothing but the invention according to patent. Now basic criteria for patentability, yes, there must be a novelty, non-obviousness, and industrial application. Invention must be relate to process and product, as we discussed in the definition of invention. Be a new or novel. What do you mean by new or novel? That is, invention must not be published in India or elsewhere in prior public knowledge or prior public use with India. That sometimes many of the traditional uses we are using from say so many times, and I am going to say that I am going to patent it, but it is already in a public domain, that people's or our ancestor using it from long period, so it cannot be protected unless and until there is a no you are claiming a very right, significant or scientific approach for that with the constituent. So claim invention must not be claimed before in any specification in India. So new means what? Invention must not be published in a that means published in India or elsewhere in prior public knowledge or prior public use in India, or invention must not be claimed before in any specification in India, that is novel or new. Invention, it involves any inventive step, that it involves, invention must be an inventive step. What do you mean by inventive step? That is a feature of invention that involves a technical advance as compared to the existing knowledge. Whatever that is your invention, it is having some technical sound, it is having some more technicality than the previous or existing knowledge. It have economical significance or both, and makes the invention not obvious to the person or skilled in an art. That is, invention cannot be, you cannot say that it is only skilled based, or that invention is done by only myself. So it cannot be like that. Invention, whatever the invention, it makes the invention not obvious. It can be performed by up to industrial scale. By proper guidance, it can be performed or repeated by anyone. So it is obviously not obvious to a person skilled in the art. So this is all about inventive step. Be capable of industrial application. Yes, it must be having a industrial application or use in any kind of industry. Not fall under section 3 and 4. So this is as much very important, section 3 and 4. There are so many criteria given in section 3 and 4. Like a few of I am going to read over here, that I am going to tell you what are the section 3. Frivolous or anything obvious contrary to the well established nature law. This is very much important. If I am going to say that I have prepared one tablet, and that tablet can be consumed by men, and men can be converted into the woman, say maybe hormonal tablet or anything else or anything something. It is a very vague statement I am doing over here, but this is how I am going to say you that whether it is how it comes in a section 3, because I am challenging the nature's law. Man is come into the nature by, that is, it is man. I am challenging the nature's law because none of the person going to convert man into woman and woman into man. So I am challenging the nature's law, and I am going to claim that my tablet is novel because I am converting the man into woman and woman into man, so it not be applicable over here. Not only that, you cannot say that any destructive antisocial elements or antisocial activities or rather than activities, antisocial invention to be patented. Like I am saying that I have prepared one gas and that gas kills that within a fraction of second it kills the entire mob in a territory of 500 meter. So you cannot claim such things in a patent. So that excluded from the, that is, that particular invention is excluded from the in terms of section 3, that can be excluded from patent. So apart from that, the mere discovery of new form of known substance which does not result in the enhancement of the known efficacy of that substance, that is again we have discovered the that means new we have discovered the known substance which does not result in the enhancement, means that again already discovered the path or already discovered the process we have discussed in the same product with a different process, but there is no enhancement in the at the outcome, so we cannot claim that. That comes under section 3 and 4. There are so many things. A method in agriculture or horticulture cannot be patented. Apart from that, if we move further, then again a mathematical or a business method or say computer programs as per the algorithms, you cannot patent that. Mathematical methods, business model or any algorithm in a computer you can't patent. Apart from that, I think there is one literature, dramatic, musical and artistic work or other aesthetic creation you cannot patent. Apart from that, topography and integrated circuits again cannot be patented. So there is a list given in a patent Indian patent of website, so you can refer for this, but these are the certain things which cannot be patented. Apart from that, some nuclear or atomic energy uranium, thorium related work cannot be patented. So moving toward the next, what this is the most important, do not do anything of the following. So you may be forfeit your right of patent of an invention if there is a public disclosure of your invention more than 1 year prior to the filing of a patent application. Therefore, you should not do any of the following without determining whether the patent protection should be sought for the technology. So go this, that means your invention or your technology, your product should not be discussed, display at seminar, lecture, workshop, poster presentation or trade show open to the public, or do not disclose the invention without a signed confidentiality or non-disclosure agreement. That if we have to say give the presentation publication to anyone else, you must sign the non-disclosure agreement. Do not disclose the invention or university website, or submit the article to the journal publication. Or that means this is most important, because we being a researcher, we have more focus on the publication part. So prior to publication or going for the publication, you must submit a provisional patent. Is there is one application that you can submit a provisional patent. After that you have a grace period of 1 year. In that 1 year you can submit a complete entire patent. So you can go with the provisional patent, as if there is no that is there is a problem to submit, or there is say time to submit the complete patent patent application. So you can prevent your title of the invention, you can prevent the invention goes into the public domain, and then you can go for the publication purpose. So these are the certain things which mandatorily do not do anything of the following regarding the your forfeit of your patent invention. Now this is part 2, free, that is before part 2 we can say that there are certain databases on the internet for patent search. Some of the few free databases and some are the paid databases. In free databases you can go with the USPTO, WIPO, European, that is EPO and member states. Apart from that, Indian Patent Office, and some are the paid databases. So we are discussing today, I am going to demonstrate how to search the patent database through a free databases. Now I am going to see that I am going to show some paid databases which maximally used by the industrial persons. So these are the paid databases. Orbit Intelligence, that is patent search software, and patent, it is run through the Questel. Then second, MicroPatent. So MicroPatent is also a paid service. Patent ProQuest, that is a Dialog is the search engine for that. It is the most trusted name of the patent research. Delphin, SciFinder and STN International. So these are the paid databases. There are, because of they are paid, they are having some more enhanced data searching. They also analyze the patent and provide a brief extract about the patents. So these are the certain paid databases: Orbit, MicroPatent, ProQuest, Delphin and SciFinder and STN International. So come to the next in part 2, searching patent information. So very first is the how to search patent using European Patent Office. That is European Patent Office. It is whatever the patent is available round the clock on the European Patent Office. Apart from that, Worldwide SpaceNet, that is this is the site for this. I have taken a screenshot of the exactly how it look. What we have to do, you have to go to the Google search, type SpaceNet patent search. After that SpaceNet patent search, you get this first window. Just click on that. You will move to this window. Let me show you directly. I am going to demonstrate in a Google itself. SpaceNet patent search. Just type SpaceNet. This you show this window. Click on this window. That is European Patent Mark, European Patent Office. Okay, this is the window in front of you. You need to go to the advanced search. Click on the advanced search. And what they're asking about you here, this EN is English, French, and these are the languages. In what language you want your patent? We usually prefer all language, or you can go with the English, but you can say that all. And the field, whatever the field, what is the title? All, text field, names, date, number, classification, other. So you can say that in that I just want field, and in that title. So my word must be, whatever I am searching right now, it must be in the title. Like in the view of corona, we are most of the searching in the hand sanitizer. Let's go with the hand sanitizer. So hand sanitizer, and enter it, search. It gives there are 688 results found for the hand sanitizer, and with the relevance I can click any one of it. Like I am clicking this one, it appears over here in a window. You can see I am just clicking hand sanitizer, it appears in a window over here. You can say that from this there is one menu, you can download from this menu, that is download the patent from this particular. Now over here you can see you just available in, it shows in which language it is available. It is available in Chinese, Danish, English, French. We usually prefer English, so we have selected English over here. Now go to the bibliographic. In that I just want original document. So it shows that it is 8-page document, and go to these 3 dots shown on the available in, just next to the available in. Click over here and download. Download original. You can share this patent from this also. That means copy link to the clipboard, send the link by email. If just I want to send the patent information to my student or any, without downloading, you can send the link to the student also, that they can be easily. So this is happens, but I just say how to download. Click on the download and original document. It's showing that your patent is downloaded over here. Just I am opening here. So this is your patent, hand sanitizer. It is August 8, 2013, and you can see that this is entire patent is downloaded. Now okay, so with the help of SpaceNet I shown you how to download the patent, how to search the patent, and how to download the patent. So now moving toward the next. Now I am going to show you, come to the presentation part. We have shown SpaceNet. Okay, done. Now how to search patent using United States patent. So next is United States patent, USPTO. You have to visit the site USPTO. Again I have made a screenshot of that, but again due to connectivity I am going to show you exactly on Google itself. Go to the Google, type over here USPTO. It shows a United States Patents and Trademark Office. In that directly you can jump to the search for patent, but it is for me, I am always prefer to visit a site first, so that any new information is quoted or put on the site, you can visit that. So this is site browsed today. You can simply see over here a patent option. In that patent option you can go with the search patent. So go to the search patent option, search patent. You see this window, come scroll down the cursor and come to this part, searching full text patent. you can search quick search, advanced search and patent number search. Go to the quick search. We can go with the advanced search, but for advanced search you need a certain data like patent number and all these things. So it is advisable to go to the quick search. Click on the quick search. It directed towards the this window. Now again you can change. You can say that title. You can say that all fields, like I am showing that hand sanitizer. We can again say that click hand sanitizer search. So you can add a term too also. It's showing there are 813, that is total 813 patents on the word hand sanitizer. It include in all part. Now I just refine my search. So go to the refine search. Again you can redirect it towards the over here. You can go now I just want hand sanitizer word in title itself. You can put hand sanitizer in a title and search again. So it directed towards from 813 patent to simply 41 patents. Now you can see over here there is a patent list from 41. You can simple click any one of these, like say dual dispensing hand sanitizer. I am going to click. It shows you this is a patent, but there is no it also shows there what are the claims sorry, excuse, and what is the say description, background. But you cannot download the patent from the USPTO site itself. There is no option to download the patent from this. So what we have to do, you need to just copy this number. Be careful. Okay, I am going to show how to download from this. Right now it okay. What you have to, I am just copying the number for further. Okay, done. So just copied number. Now so this way we can search a patent on a USPTO site, that is United States. So by using the USPTO site. Now again come to the presentation part. So this is how we search the patent by using USPTO. Now how to search the patent using the World Intellectual Property Organization, that is WIPO site. So what we have to type, World Intellectual Property Organization in our Google search. Again I am going to show directly on World Intellectual Property Organization. You can again, I am going to say that just in a USPTO website we can directly jump to the patent search, and in WIPO we can directly jump to the patent scope, because patent scope is the area where we can search the patent in a WIPO. But again I am advising go to the WIPO, World Intellectual Property Organization, because there are some information which may be useful for us, that flashing on this home screen. Now in that, where you have to go, you have to go to the resources part. In that resources part you can simply see there is a patent scope. Click on the patent scope. You can see that there is a access the patent scope database. There is a link. You just click on that. It redirect it, whatever the link open in a newer tab. It's showing there WIPO search international. This is a simple search. You can put again the same word, hand sanitizer. Plus these are these. There are total 1100, almost 1100 patents on the WIPO. You can click any one of it. For you can do advanced search also. So I am just clicking this one. You have to click on the patent number. It's directed towards the invention, that is description. Okay, there is a problem on reading the description. It is in a different language. I am not going to understand whether it is a Chinese or Japanese, I don't know. But again, for that reason, there is one machine translation is given on WIPO portal itself. You can click on that and Google Translate, WIPO Translate, whatever you want. I just prefer Google Translate. And into which language it is translated? It is in a English language. Translate. So it is translated into English language. You can see now it is converted into English language. Sink and basin, detergent and hand sanitizer. Before that I am unable to see exactly. I am just showing you how it appears. It appears like this. I am not going to say read this. So I just make machine translation, Google translation. In Google translation I have converted entire into the English. So this is exactly how World Intellectual Patent Office work. Now claims. Again, there's claim. I can't read the claims. I am going to this Google Translate and I am going to say that these are the claims. Now come to the document parts. What I am showing how to download right now. You can download it is from the PDF form, zip form, that is entire XML plus TIF. You can download from this. I am just going to download it is in a PDF form. It is downloaded over here. So you can say that it is downloaded. So how to download the patent, how to search a patent with WIPO and how to download the patent with WIPO, I am shown by this video. Now come to the next. Come to the presentation part. So we have gone through all World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO. How it looks, I already shown you. Simple search, okay, this is already done. Now Indian patent search. Now come to the Indian patent search. Again, we can just Google search like Indian patent search. I am going to show you. Indian patent search. You can simply search Indian patent. Go to the patent search over here on the first window. It directly you say transfer to the patent search. Now you can, there is an option, that is what you want to search. It is whether you want to search published patent or granted patent. You just search publish also, because and again the same word we are going to use. Come to the down. There are so many options given on a page in a Indian patent. Okay, so you can directly come. It asks about the certain CAPTCHA. And search. So there are 272 documents we can observe with the help by the word of hand sanitizer. So you can say that these are the certain search. You can simply click on the application status. Over here application status, like anyone. Okay, now over here you can view documents. If you want to view, you can go to the view documents. You can simply see over here, that is what is title page, form 1, form. You can click on that. It's shown you entire form 3, what is there. This is declaration. So it is again a help to guide us regarding the what about the how it patent look like. So this one, apart from that, so these are the certain documents over here, but you need to go to the each and every document and then click. Now come to the next. Let's see that application status. These are all filed patent. These are not granted patent right now. So this is applicant name Sudeepa Bose. We can view documents over here. You can simply observe it, complete specification. You can go to the complete specification PDF. It appears in the this. You can simply scroll down. That is, it is given background of the invention, object of the invention, summary of the invention, brief description of the drawings, detailed description. So this is completely it is complete filing of the patent. Some may also file a provisional patent with a fewer data. So this is exactly. So this is all about how to search a patent through Indian patent. Indian patent. There is an advanced search in Indian patent. Now come to the most important part. Because of the USPTO does not allow us to download the patent, then how to download the patent from USPTO? So this is, so these are the certain downloading site for the patent. These are the free site like Pad to PDF. You can go with the Pad to PDF, free patent fetcher and patent retriever. Due to some say time, I am going to show you regarding the Pad to PDF work, how it works. Now come again in a Google. Click on Pad to PDF. It shows this window. Just click on a Pad to PDF. You get this window. I have copied one number from USPTO. I am just pasting that number and fetch patent. It's showing that it is one of one. You are going to just download it. Click on that number. After clicking, it shows United States patent, dual dispensing hand sanitizer. That is, this is patent is download. This is 6-page patent. You can download from this, and this is the simple way to download US patent. You can save at anywhere. So this is how the patent is downloaded with the, again, if you want to again search, you can go to the USPTO, find the number and copy the number, and that number you need to paste just into the this enter number and fetch patent. After that, you got a blue colored. I'm going to show you one more thing. One more time, just fetch patent. You are simply seeing that whatever the number you have pasted, you just click on that number. It appears in a blue color. You click on this and it shows a PDF is downloaded. So this is all about patent search. You can also go with the other options. Let me show you. So this is how to, with the help of Pad to PDF, and this is patent fetcher. So you can go with the patent fetcher also. You just type patent fetcher in a Google and it appears this window. You just paste the number of your, whatever the number you want to search, or search number, whatever the patent you want to download, fetch it and download from here. Patent Retriever is also free website. It can provide you a free, again you can search that is European patent and the patent number and just click on the download. So thank you for kind listening. Hope I have clear your thoughts about patents, basics of patents, what to be patented, what things are to be patented, what not to be patented, how to search a patent using USPTO, using Espacnet, using WIPO and Indian patent also, how to download a patent from free sites. Not only this, hopefully in next lecture I am going to show you how to what are the different parts of the patent forms and how to download these forms or how to fill the patent to the Indian Patent Office, and how to approach, that is from online mode, from offline mode, because online mode is started from 2007. So how to approach towards the patent filing agency. So in next lecture we will next video we will goes to cover these things. So thank you for kind listening. Thank you. One request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell button for the further notification. Thank you.